In an age when stars aren't born, but coded.
Is this why all the scripts my agent sends me these days are about pythons?
Join us as we celebrate cinematic genius. Ada Film Awards. Join the evolution.
Hello, welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to communicate with your customers in a unique and fun way using videos created on Artflow AI. You can create a variety of videos. Invitations like the one you just saw, welcome greetings.
Welcome to the Ping Roastery. Let me tell you about our newest blend of South American coffee beans. They're fair trade.
Product info.
Our revolutionary flux capacitor through a crowdfunding campaign. The first mass-produced time travel solution to be offered to the general
Announcements.
We are very happy to reveal we were chosen to design the new art center in the heart of the revitalized.
Reviews and promotions.
Before I pass judgment on the writing style, I must admit I got lost in the labyrinth.
Motivational messages.
Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible.
Record your own speech, or with the help of Artflow Image Studio, create a virtual host to speak for you.
Choose from hundreds of voices available on Artflow to create lifelike voiceovers.
And the best thing is, it's dead easy. All it takes is 5 simple steps. Why don't we go through this process together? Let's create an invitation to a virtual event. How about an AI Filmmakers Award ceremony? Step 1. We need the text. You can write your own, but I like to get some initial help from ChatGPT. I'll put the prompt into the video description so you can adapt it to your needs. Though GPT is good at proposing ideas, even the latest model rarely gives you a script that you can use directly. Paste the output into a text editor to make any necessary changes. Step 2. To get the images, we'll head over to Artflow's Image Studio. Click New Image to start generating. Let's get our host first. We need to use the portrait mode if we want to create a reusable character. The proportions for portraits are always 1:1. Next, we need a prompt describing our presenter. This should work. I'll paste it into the description as well. Now choose a picture style. We can go with photography here. And we're ready to click the flow button to see the results. We'll get 4 slightly different portraits to choose from. Repeat generations, adjusting your prompt and adding negative prompts until you get someone you like. We'll place the other host in the scene. This allows for varied poses and framing, but prevents you from reusing the same character in different locations. You can select the general interior or exterior mode here. Best use the horizontal aspect ratio, enter a prompt, and wait for the results. Now for the background. If you want to place your host within your office or venue, for example, you can upload your own image. You can also create a virtual location. To do that, choose the exterior mode and horizontal image aspect ratio. We'll need a new prompt. How about this? I'll paste it into the description as well. Let's add a title shot. We need the general mode for this, and let's keep the horizontal aspect ratio. Let's use a simple prompt here. And we have our titles. With the images done, we're ready to head over to Video Studio. Click New Video to open the editor. In the first shot, we'll need our title screen. You can use the assets we made in the Image Studio. But what if you already have a design for graphic advertising your event? No problem. You can use the upload function. Use any image you need, locations, infographics, photos, anything to enrich your content. Go to Uploads, then Browse. Select the uploaded image, then scale and adjust its position as needed. We're ready to proceed to Step 3 and add the voiceover. Paste the edited text from ChatGPT into the box below the image. Now choose a voice. This helpful filter makes it easier to get to what you want. You can narrow down the list by gender, age, role, or accent. Leading voices are generally best for protagonists. Supporting voices work for sidekicks and more characteristic parts, while voiceover is meant for narration. I'll go with Stone and a serious voice style.
In an age when stars aren't born, but coded.
Sounds good. Step 4, adding more shots. Click the plus icon in the timeline. We're ready for an appearance by our comedian. You can choose from the images we made in the Image Studio or upload a photo of another character. Follow the same image upload procedure if you do. Artflow will automatically detect any faces in the uploaded images. Select the character you want to animate. Now choose a voice. This time I'll go for Johnny in a casual voice style.
Is this why all the scripts my agent sends me?
Not quite happy with the results? No problem. You can generate the voiceover elsewhere or record yourself. If you do, follow the same steps we used for image upload. That should do for our first character. Now let's add our host and put him in a virtual location. Select one of the locations made before in the Image Studio. In the Character tab, select one of the portraits. If you like, you can remove the background and make him a part of the scene. Move and scale the character as needed. For natural framing, keep your character's eyeline about 1/3 from the top of the frame. Add dialogue and choose a voice like we did before. Let's add some back and forth between the two characters. We can speed this up by clicking the little duplicate icon on the first shot and dragging it to the new position. Add voice animation and narration as required. Remember to change your character's positions between the shots to avoid jarring jump cuts. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll keep posting cool AI-related stuff. Step 5. We're almost there. To liven things up, let's add some camera motion. In the Effects tab, choose from among different options. I'll go for a zoom in on the first slide. And we're pretty much done. To finalize the project, click the Export button, give the video a name, and ArtFlow will start generating it. You'll be able to share or download your video in a few moments. And here's the result.
In an age when stars aren't born, but coded,
Is this why all the scripts my agent sends me these days are about pythons?
where algorithms spell drama and bytes become blockbusters,
Who knew zeros and ones could make you cry?
join us as we celebrate cinematic genius with the AI Film Awards. Ada Film Awards. Join the evolution.
I hope the snacks are still real.
As you can see, it's really easy to create an invite with ArtFlow AI. Use the same method to get the video you need. You don't have to get any additional stock content. Just visualize your topic either with original images or AI-generated assets showing anything you might require. To get started, remix the video we created here today. Follow the link in the description below. You can type in your own text and exchange the images. I hope you like what we did today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.